is my tutorial for a pink ribbon breast cancer awareness peekaboo tumbler. I have already sanded and prepped my tumbler using an 80 grit sanding block and Rust-Oleum spray paint in white. Now we're ready to apply our micas. We are doing a mica powder challenge in my mentorship group for the month of October, so I decided to join in on the fun and create this tumbler design in honor of Breast Cancer Awareness Month. My sister-in-law is an 8-year survivor this year, and she needs a new tumbler. I had made her a tumbler when I first started making cups. Hers was actually the second tumbler that I ever made. Her tumbler got bent in her car. She said there was a situation between her car seat and she had pushed it back in the cup. Well, anyways, it's gone the way of the dodo. So I wanted to make her a new one. She is way overdue too, y'all. I saw her drinking out of one of those, those little cheapy ones that get scratched up easily. Unacceptable. When I was all done, I wanted to check the UV look with a light just to make sure I have nice coverage. Let cure, then we'll be ready to add our stencils. So remember how I said my sister's tumbler was the second tumbler that I ever made? Here is a pic of it on my hand turner. Hand turner, y'all. Before ready-made turners were a thing, we were over here hand turning and babysitting our tumblers for hours on end. I was so proud of my setup, y'all. Oh, Lord. This just goes to show that we all start somewhere. So if you aren't where you want to be now, keep pushing and you will get there, fam. I spray painted my tumbler black, and while the paint is drying, I'm gonna mix my custom glitters. Let this glitter layer cure, seal with a clear sealer and epoxy till smooth. Then we'll be ready to add our ribbon outlines. I was just gonna seal my outlines and let it be, but yeah, more glitter. You don't have to though, but y'all know me by now. I didn't add it all over, just in spots. Let cure, then we'll be ready to add our decal. The quote that was on my sister's first tumbler was a play on the "she believed she could and so she did" saying, but she changed it to "she believed he could, so he did" in reference to God. So I'll be using that same quote on this one. If you're interested in using it as well, I'll have it available in my Etsy shop. I sealed with a coat of epoxy, and then I was all done. That's it, guys! Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. A huge thank you to all of my mentorship and channel members. Your support is literally everything. My viewers are 99% women, so this is your reminder to do your checks and make those appointments. Prevention is key to winning this war while we wait for a cure. Love you guys, and I'll see you again next time.